Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully someone will find it useful. So, problem I'm going to be attempting today is 1374, generate a string with characters that have odd counts. So reading out the spec here, it says given an integer n, return a string with n characters such that each character occurs in an odd number of times. The return string must only contain lowercase English letters. If there are multiple valid strings, return any of them. So n is equal to 4. Output is PPPZ. Explanation, this is a valid string because the character P occurs 3 times and the character Z occurs once. So 3 is odd and so is 1. Note that there are many other valid strings such as OHHH and love. Constraints are between 1 and 500, and the hint they've given is if n is odd, return a string size of n formed by only a, else return string formed with n1, n minus 1, and 1b. So I don't know if you can see this. I don't think my camera's obstructing it. But it's saying here, I'm gonna copy it into my notes so that you can see. So the sort of suggestion it has given is if n is odd, return a string of size n formed by only by a. Okay, so let's say it's n is equal to 3, you'll just do a, else return string formed with n minus 1a. So let's say n is 4, it would be n minus 1, which is 3, which is a, and then 1b, which is, so they're both odd. So that seems like something that would be fairly simple to implement. So check if n is odd, and then we're going to say that's going to be done through is that how you do it? So just check if it's equal to 0. If it is, return a multiplied by n. And I'm going to do otherwise return a times n minus 1 plus n, or plus b, sorry. Or it could be any letter here really, just as long as they are different. So let's try and implement this. So we're gonna copy in our ideas here. Just gonna put this back to default layout. So we're gonna do this here. We're going to do this here in, it's divisible by 2, so if this, then we're going to return a. In fact, we're going to, yeah, do a times n. And then we can just do return a times n minus 1 plus b. The reason we don't need to put in, well, we can put in an else here just for readability, but it'll just go to here. Otherwise, this would have got run. It would have got run. Well, it would have ran anyway. So let's check if this works. Oh. Um. I think it should be the other way around if it's odd. So if there is a remainder of 1, not a remainder of 0, this should work. There we go. 3 accepted test cases. Let's submit. And that passed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope this was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, leave a comment. Or if you had some other way to solve this, which was maybe a bit more efficient or different, please let me know. I love discussing these problems. And yeah, thank you once again for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.